Today, we're going to be going over how to add an account to your Growth Suite. To add an account, we're going to have logged into our Growth Suite already. We're going to be on the home page. Up here at the top, you'll see the Accounts tab. Best practice is always to search for an account before you add it, but let's assume you've done that and you're ready to add an account. You'll click on this little drop-down caret, and you'll click New Account. From here, you will receive a list of potential options. Let's create a corporate account. This will pull up the fields for the corporate account. By default, only the account name is required. However, if you have additional information, we highly recommend putting it in, as this can make searching for accounts later on much easier. Any other required fields that your organization requires will be marked with a red asterisk, as seen here by the account name. And once you're ready, you can click the Save button down at the bottom. Your new account has now been created.